Good morning students, welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start the next exercise of chapter 13, that is exercise 13.4, and our today's topic is 24-hour clock or reading the time 24-hour clock. So in the last video we have discussed about the 12-hour clocks. As you know that in the 12-hour clocks it shows the same time twice a day. For example, this is a clock 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Here time it is 4 am. Okay, here time it is 4 am. Again it will go round and it shows the time again 4 pm. फर्स्ट राउंड में ही हमारा टाइम शो कर रही है 4 AM, और जब ये नेक्स्ट राउंड कंप्लीट करेगी तो ये क्या टाइम शो करेगी आफ्टर 12 o'clock, आफ्टर 12 hours it shows 4 PM. Okay, whereas 24-hour clock doesn't show the same time twice. 24-hour clock जो है वो दोबारा से सेम टाइम शो नहीं करती. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग वन राउंड इट शोज एज 1300 hours, 1400 hours, 1500 hours, 1600 hours, and so on up to 2400 hours. Okay, so you can see the time according to 24 hours clock in the airport or railway station also, or you can see the time in the analog clock also. Okay, so let's start the 24-hour clock. To avoid confusion of a time at day and night, we can use a 24-hour clock. डे और टाइम का confusion दूर करने के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? 20-hour clock. The time is displayed as shown alongside. इसमें आपको टाइम गिवन है, शो है. जो मिड में सर्कल के मिड में नंबर्स है दैट इज़ अकॉर्डिंग टू द 12-hour क्लॉक्स, और जो सर्कल के आउटसाइड में नंबर है दैट आर द अकॉर्डिंग टू 24-hour क्लॉक्स. ओके, so this is the 1, 2, 3 and up to the 12, and here after 12 it will start from 1300 hours. When we will add 1 plus 12 then it becomes 13. Okay, so after 12 am, after 11:59 am it will be start 12 pm. तो 12 pm जैसे ही होगा वहाँ आपका हो जाएगा अगेन 13 hours. ओके, 1300 hours, then 2 pm is called as 1400 hours, then 3 pm is called as 1500 hours, then 4 pm is called as 1600 hours, and so on. Okay, now see next one, how to reading a 24-hour clock. In a 24-hour clock time is drawn using the 4 numerals. 4 numerals में लिखते हैं, अभी हमने लिखा 1300 hours. Here it is 4 digits are there. Okay, so in this first 2 digits of hours, जो first 2 digits होती है वो हमारी होती है hours की, and last 2 digits are of minutes. लास्ट की 2 digits क्या हमें डिनोट करती हैं? मिनट्स को. ओके, it shows the first 2 digits shows the hour and last 2 digits shows the minute. Okay, so 1200 means 1200 hours is equal to 12 noon. Okay, it is a time according to 12-hour clock and it is the time according to 24-hour clock. If you want to write the 12 midnight according to 24-hour clock, then we will write as 0000 hours. Okay, now see one example. The time is 11:30 hours. 1130 hours. ठीक है, अगर आपका जो आर वाला डिजिट्स होती है अगर वो लेस देन 1 होती है देन वी विल राइट एज इट इज, मीन्स 11:30 and we will write at the last am. Okay, if it is greater than 12, for example it will be 1420 means 1420 hours. okay, and in the first two digit it is greater than 12, so we will subtract 12 from that digit which is equal to 2, so we will write it as 2:20 PM. okay, अगर हम सेम डिजिट्स लिखते हैं देन वी विल राइट AM एट द लास्ट, और अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करके डिजिट लिखते हैं देन वी विल राइट PM एट द लास्ट. ओके, नाउ व्हेन वी विल कन्वर्ट 12 आवर क्लॉक देम इनटू 24 आवर क्लॉक. अगर हमें 12 आवर क्लॉक के अकॉर्डिंग टाइम गिवन है, हमें इसे 24 आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग लिखना है. देन हाउ टू राइट V at 12 hours to it. For example, the time is 1:10 AM. If it is AM written at the last, then we will write the same numbers, that is 110. The 24 hours is having the 4 digits, so we will write 0 here. So it is 0110 hours. Okay. If it is written PM at the last, अगर PM लिखा होता है then we will add 12 and the hours digit. For example, 3:20 PM. In this we will add 12 from the hours number, that is 3 plus 12 which is 15, so we will write 1520 hours. Okay, only we have to change the hours digits. सिर्फ आपको hour digits को ही change करना है, minutes digit आपकी as it is रहेंगी. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. The first question is convert the following into a 12-hour clock time. Okay, इसमें आपको टाइम गिवन है अकॉर्डिंग टू 24 आवर्स और आपको कन्वर्ट करना है 12 आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग. सो इन दिस योर टाइम इज 0200. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल see the hours digit which is 02 and it is less than 12. It is less than 12, so we will write the same digit, that is 2 AM. Okay, now see next one, 2330 hours. So in this the first two digit is of hour digit which is greater than 2, greater than 12. Okay, then we will subtract from 12 from 23, it will be 11. So here it is time 11:30 and we will write PM at the last. Okay, now see next question which is 0115 hours. Now see the first two digit which is 1, it is less than 12, so we will write the same time 1:15 and we will write AM at the last. Okay, now see next question which is convert the following into a 24 clock time. In this question you have to convert according to 24-hour clock. The first is 12:05 PM. So in this PM was there, so we will write, we can't add 12 in that because we can't write the time in 24:05. ओके, हम 24 आवर्स क्लॉक में 24 तक ही लिख सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा एक्सटेंड नहीं कर सकते. सो वी विल राइट इट 1205 आवर्स. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट वन 10:10 AM. नाउ सी द आवर्स, it is AM, so we will write the same numbers 1010 hours. Okay, now see next one which is 3:10 AM. So we will write the same time 310 and these are the 3 digits, so we will make the 4 digits because the 24-hour clock is having the 4 digits, so we will write 0310 hours. Okay, if it is for example if it is 8:50 PM, it is in PM, so we will add 12 in 8, so it will be 2050 hours. अगर आपका लास्ट में PM होगा देन वी विल ऐड 12 इन द आवर्स डिजिट. आवर डिजिट में हम 12 प्लस करेंगे विच इज़ 20 और मिनट डिजिट्स आपकी सेम रहेंगी विच इज़ 50. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू 24 आवर्स योर टाइम विल बी 2050 आवर्स. ओके, नाउ सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दैट इज कंप्लीट द ब्लैंक्स एंड द फर्स्ट फिलअप इज when it is 7:30 AM the time in a 24-hour clock is. अगर 7:30 AM है तो 24 आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग उसकी टाइमिंग क्या होगी. AM है तो सेम डिजिट्स आएंगी, मीन्स 0730 आवर्स. Okay, now see next one. A plane is scheduled to arrive at 2120 hours. Its arrival time is wristwatch जो होती है वो आपके अकॉर्डिंग टू 12 आवर्स होती है. सो आपको 2120 आवर्स को 12 आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग राइट डाउन करना है. ओके, और जो आपकी इसमें आवर्स डेजर्ट है इट इज़ ग्रेटर देन 12, सो वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 12 फ्रॉम हियर and we will get 9. So here we write 9:20. At last we will write PM. Okay, now next is dash is 12-hour clock time for 600 hours. It is less than 2, so we will write here 6 AM. Okay, next is if it is 3:25 AM in 12-hour clock, it is dash in 24-hour clock. अगर 12-hour clock में टाइमिंग है 3:25 AM, तो 24-hour clock में आपकी होगी 0325 hours because it is in AM, so we can't change the hours desert. Okay, see next one. Write the time 2 o'clock in both 12-hour and 24-hour clock formats when it is dark. 2 o'clock का आपको टाइम लिखना है 12 आवर्स और 24 आवर्स के अकॉर्डिंग. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू 12-hour clock it will be 2 AM और अकॉर्डिंग टू 24-hour clock it will be 0200 hours. Okay, so I hope you all understood these questions. So your homework will be, you have to complete exercise 13.4 in your fair notebook. If you have any query you can ask in your WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.